ene mawanen
wadu kini kechawinjo ka
wetoni mondi makama kaparo no mondi kata Cheryl Pogolo saki majuolo wadonge dakariyo kende twadhi yweyo re
kuma tune wego down adwa kedo kachero ni employment problems soko chako nyoro. This has been an historical problem. Time Maru Uhuru, time Maru Moi, time Maru Kibaki. One of the things we've been crying all and over and which is issue Maru employment. If we see a leeway, Katabu is not permanent, it's not a permanent solution. Lakini we appreciate ni at least ntienga atomoparo kamoro ni bear kangani is employed. Number two, I know kaji yuago sana jawinjo mono yuago watch issue Maru CBC. Adwa kedo very clear ni CBC mo kuongo no Kenya Wiliam Ruto's project.
Lakini nobedo implemented. Nobedo
implemented at the time Maruto was not even sitting in the cabinet.
Obedo implemented ka jatend piny Kenya Wiliam Ruto nitiere tena.
He was not even sitting in cabinet. Ka ing'eyo gima timore Kenya then, ing'eyo ber ni Ruto that time was a little bit out of the government, out of touch with the government. But that was notwithstanding. Gima important sani en niya, gino no sebedo rolled out. Do we run away from it? Kaka project mar tablet no yoringo to yae or bank of money will pumped into it. So do we correct whatever that was done wrong? And the first thing must be done, and at least what money gik mano bedo mano ket mang'eny ma wan not practical ka. O goal mondo things ma implementable obed implemented. Number two, issue over the same issue masomo. Jomoko nyoga choni jomoko ni gweng, jomoko ni town. Kana mana it for funny, one was so make gweng, jomoko ni town. Ngamana somo Brookside, ok ninya pimo gi mana somo Juang primary. Ok nyalre. Why don't ya that inequality and nyako exist in society. Seche ma ji tero mre the society, then ngamadi look ni gari la riki. Nyakino na ngato mabende nyako bedi mana groundsman to ngato bedi nyaka bedi mana ndosi wade. Mano is not a problem of president. Then lastly, kado we watch now the issue is also coming ma work clear ni raweriti yogodo. Let me tell you gimora chia. Already manati godo ka we are not objective the way we are not objective. Objective ngama ino objective enia ingionia where are we coming from? What is the history behind this thing more watimo sani kada matimore sani ni. To what is the long term solution towards the matimore sani ni. Me yogino that oknyan ni sinia ki was someone who is objective. Oknyan sinia inya chio king can take all the millions of youths are employed today. You don't need it is systematic. To se magigi betimore mine no ilari kidiem kado diem jengo katima affordable housing. There's something Mangal is also learning. Mondo se mali times giarja. Tinya lugweli because a little bit neko nigi experience. Kumade jo se timornade. Gio se yaecha. Mano ma iso niya you are learning systematically. Systematic. Ma iluoro ja. Ino kato ni isi nini liye with yar. Dog tiela for mondi. Chagika. Kijo buku. Hido tumba jo buku. Kijo busa je moka. Moro.